How to verify your Libertex account. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Once you are inside the app, tap on the More section from the bottom bar. Here you will find an option for verification. Tap on it to begin the verification process. To verify your identity, you will need two things, an identity document and a selfie. For the identity document, you can use a residence permit, ID card, driver's license or passport. Make sure the document is valid and the information is clear and matches your account details. After selecting your identity document, you will be asked to take a selfie to confirm your identity. Ensure your face is clearly visible and the photo is well lit for accurate verification. Once both your document and selfie are uploaded, tap Submit. The verification process may take a few hours or up to a few days. You will receive a notification once your account is successfully verified, giving you full access to all Libertex trading features. Now you know how to verify your Libertex account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.